Good morning everyone, and this kit is a boot kit. It's a Shabby Chic boot kit. It's a vintage boot kit from the Victorian era. This particular one is mine. I designed it, and we sold it many years ago when we had the unit. So if you buy the kit, please do not pass on this particular pattern to the boots, because we own the pattern. And you know, I know how many will sell. Well, I've only got 3 kits available, but I know how many we sold last time. And I do keep my eye out on YouTube to make sure that nobody else is passing that particular pattern on. You know, laws are there for a reason. But anyway, I appreciate it if you buy the kit and you keep the pattern and you do not pass it on. So this is the, like I said, the vintage Victorian style boot. With this, and like I said, you cut 2 of those out and you leave the top end open, and this is the piece, the eye bit that goes in that bit. Once you've stuffed it, you do get the stuffing with this, it's the wadding. I've added one of these. It's a pink boot, but you need a bit of flair with it. So you've got a choice of either that applique, which is the gold corded, which will sit, if you can see, kind of like that, if you know what I mean. It's absolutely stunning when it's on. Or you can just put one like that on, and then you've got that for something else. It's completely up to you. Now, the pink satin is a large piece of pink satin. It's folded, obviously, and folded again. That does the whole boot, obviously, and you probably have some left over to cut some small flowers out. You do get a full pack of pink feathers, and they're super soft. The marabou feathers, super soft. Now, I've given you lots and lots in this kit to be able to create something stunning. I've given you the super soft wide, it's 3 inches wide ribbon, metre or more of that. And then you've got the ribbon as well, so if you're doing bows or whatever you want to do, you know, you've got, excuse me, you've got plenty. Now, in case you wanted to make it as a baby gift, could you make a cushion for a cot or something like that as a baby gift? I've put the pink ribbon in, it's got the baby feet on. You might not want to use it, so you can use it elsewhere. Now, I've given you the pearl and the pink of the flower centres that we sell, so you've got a choice of which you want to use. I've given you the best of the best. This satin, double satin, it's double satin, so that means either side, is super soft, top quality, and it's stunning, even though it's just a ribbon. You'll see when you get it in your hands. And so is the organza one. It's super soft. You're getting excellent quality. Then we've given this trim, the eyelet trim, the cotton one, that my favourite, of course, one of my favourites. And then you've got these, they're like little butterflies, that, so you can cut those out individually and put them where the button's going to be. Do you know what I mean? Use your imagination, think outside the box. Then we've got the, it's not Nottingham lace, but it's very similar to Nottingham lace. It's a better quality one. In here, I've given you 3 of the tiny, so you don't have to make your bows. 3 of the tiny bows. Is it 3? Yeah. There might be 4 actually. With the pearls. I've also given you a plain double bow, and then I've given you the double bow with the diamante. The satin ribbon with the loop, so you can hang something from it, and the 4mm pearl string. So that's that. Oh, you've got this as a contrasting colour if you want to put it on or make some tiny flowers. There's 3 meters of that. In this one, we've given you 2 meters of the cording, so you can make your own tassel if you wish. The beautiful flower trim, so you can put, like, you know, edging across the top of the boot. I've also included 12 of the daisy flowers. You've 6 of the flower buttons. So if you want to put buttons up the top, you know, up the side from the top to bottom. The ruffle flower. You've got 3 of the ready-made roses. And a cluster. I've also given you 24 pale pink, the 8mm beads. And I've made that out of 24 of them, so you can cut that and take it apart if you don't want it, as a flower centre in case you don't want the blingy ones. So it's 24 pearls for that, so you can make more than one. And the last thing is I've given you this, which is the, you can't hang this tassel, but you can take that out and put a fresh like that cording in to make, that's a tassel to hang, you know, from the back of the boot. You'll see on the picture I'm going to show next. And that's, again, they all come apart so you can make your own. Okay, and that's just got a little tie around there and that's threaded through it. So you can easily put something else on that and make your own tassel. You can even add these beads to this. So that's the kit. It is gorgeous. And yeah, and there's only 3 of them. So you're lucky if you get one. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.